In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Robux gift code for your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to buy Robux gift card, you need to go ahead and first log into your Roblox account and then head over to this icon here and click on it. Currently, you can see my Robux account balance is 0. But if you wish to buy a gift card, scroll down until you see this option down here called gift card. From here, go ahead and tap on buy, and this will take you to your payment page where you can now make a purchase by adding to cart, and the option to add to cart is here. Once you have added to cart, now you'll be able to pay using the payment option that you added on your Roblox account. So that's how you can buy a Robux gift card on this platform. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.